doesn't play that short. He just wanted to force that ball on the onside. The ball held in the pitch at times. That's wide, it's wide. He keeps his gloves in the line of the ball.
Bowled him straight through. Shah.
Well, the two left. A couple of deliveries coming.
Amir's got
front, especially because the Giants were in a bit of trouble. It's a low full toss. He had
Shaheen, Shah, Afridi.
all of a sudden today his average speed has gone up.
Pakistan cricket and of course Pakistani knowing
5. Again, look.
And Jordan is there. I think he got him with the slow ball. He was like fumble. The pass for 14, 146 for 6 now.
Nick Drake
On this
digs it into the surface.
the Gulf Giants 150.